Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited today because I wanted to come back and do a wig review for you guys, which I am super excited to bring this wig review. This is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace What Lace wig, and I'm super excited. This is in Kiyari and she is absolutely beautiful on the card. It sounded weird when I said that, I don't even know why, but this is a 13x6 ear to ear with a 6-inch deep hand-tied lace. This is a pre-plucked lace, so it can give you a natural density, and then it has an undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs, pre-customized, and a protective style, which you can again not use any leave out. So when I got this wig, I was really excited because I saw it on a couple of ladies' channels and I was like, you know what, I really want to try this wig. So I bought the wig from, of course you guys know wig types. I will leave the pricing right here of where, how much it cost me and the website that I got it from, so it's wigtypes.com. I love getting my wigs from there. Shipping is affordable. I mean, everything is affordable, shipping is quick. I never had an issue with them, so that is great. The next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is all the different colors. You do get a lot of colors in here, so if you guys are more bold and bright than I am, then honey, go for it. But for me, I'm very basic, so I get the 1B always, just because I know that color works for me. So we're about to get into this wig. Let's talk about it. When I got it out the package, it does come with 3 combs and then adjustable straps. One on each side and then one in the back. And I had to actually adjust it all the way to the, almost, the straps almost touched. Just because this is big head girl friendly, so that is a plus. For us little head ladies over here, we do have to adjust the strap, which I know sometimes that can be a con for some people, but I'm okay with it, just because, you know, it gives me a lot of head space and some room for me to do whatever I like. Now, one of the pros that I love about this wig is the simple fact that I get to part it anywhere from ear to ear. That is amazing. I freaking love it. I am parting it on the side because you guys know I love my little Aaliyah bang, you know what I'm saying? That's one of the things that that's my favorite like go-to look, is the side part. Normally when wigs do not come with any parting, I just tilt my wigs to the side so I can actually have a side part. But when I did get this wig did come with almost like, I wouldn't say one length, it came with slight like a layered effect, but it wasn't like, you know, you can initially see it. So I had to go in and I had to like cut layers through it so it could match my frame, my face shape. I don't know why that sounded so weird, but it came out really, really pretty. The hair was so easy to cut, guys. Like, it is so gorgeous. And the sheen and everything. The only other con that I've also seen with this wig is the hairs. You have to like put them in place, because if you don't, then it's kind of hairs all over the place. So that is also one of the things you have to note. Now let's go into the lace itself. Now you guys know, if you've been rocking with me for a long time, I have a hate and love relationship with Swiss lace, because I like the way the Swiss lace feel on my skin, but I do not like it when it shifts or it lifts. If you do not keep this wig really tight or you do not glue it down, technically you will get some lifting and you will see the demarcation in the wig. Now in photos and cameras I feel like it's undetectable, but in person you can definitely see where that wig starts. It says it has baby hairs, but we all know when they say baby hairs, they mean short strands. I don't know why. They try really hard to say that it's undetectable. I say it's not, just because you can still see the little black dots all throughout the parting, because the companies have not figured out yet that you're supposed to dye or keep the dots on the wig translucent. I don't know why, but hopefully they'll get there. But I do like the way this hair feels. The tangling does not, I don't know if it's because how thick the hair is. It is not tangling at all, which I love. Other than that, I really don't have a lot of cons on this wig, just that you still can detect the wig. If you know, if someone was staring and talking to you, they can totally tell that you're wearing a wig just because of this part right here. But from far away in cameras and pictures, you can't tell, so whatever, it works. But I do love it. I think it's amazing that I get to wear a wig that I feel like it's meant to wear good at work, at school, at meetings and stuff like that. Like, it looks so good. Like, I honestly really like it, and just cutting it really adds to this wig. So just be prepared to probably cut it to your face shape. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this as a side part. I just know I am. So it looks so good. The sheen on it is amazing. And again, I really don't have a lot of cons with that. Just again with the lace, and that they say it's undetectable. Sure, if you're looking at this video. But if you're in person, you can totally tell that I'm wearing a wig. I've cut the wig also. I just want to make sure I make this known to a lot of you guys. So I know I'm probably gonna get people saying, oh my god, it looks so natural on the side. That's because I've learned that you need to cut the ear tabs off. I usually used to flip them in, but then when I watched another young lady's video like years ago, she said to cut any unwanted lace off. So I just cut it now, so where it can go behind my ear, and since the lace is cut, I pull my hair out, and that's why it looks natural. Any other questions, guys, let me know in the links. Please let me know down in the comment section. I'm so sorry that this video is kind of like, I feel like I haven't done a video in so long because I haven't gone for over a year, and I'm so sorry, but I can't help it if I'm feeling awkward filming and trying to figure things out. Lord have mercy. But if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. If you're new to my video, hi, welcome, I'm Sharon, and I do all things beauty and lifestyle, which lifestyle I wanted to definitely mush in to my beauty channel so you guys can get an overall thing of what I do in my life. So everything from planners to beauty to makeup to hair to weight loss to finances, it's all going to be here on this platform. So yes, I will talk to you guys later because I have to do a lot of editing. So bye guys. Hey guys, check out my latest budgeting video. If you want to check out my paycheck to paycheck video, links will be below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.